It's just hitting me now that I have one more full day at home. This is the room I've lived in for most of my life. It's kind of crazy to think that at this time tomorrow, I'll be in a completely new. I'm curious to see what my new room will look like. Curious to see if my new room will also feel like home. I was not happy with how my suitcase looked, so I decided to look online to try and figure out how, and I tried to make it better. Last time brushing my teeth. Last time taking a shower. Time playing Mario. The boys. Last lunch at the bar. Last apple. Goodbye room. Goodbye washroom. Goodbye Sam's room. Bye Johnny. Bye. 12 minutes, we're about to reach Waterloo campus. So we're gonna drop Sam off, help him move a few things, and then drive to Western immediately after, within that 3-hour time gap between our move-ins. So first to Waterloo, and then we'll go off on our own ways. Yes! Have fun at V1, buddy.
Try your luck and take a chance. Before the risks in this moment, take my hand, then break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change?
Hey, so we got a welcome O-Week package, like a bag, so I figured I might as well just show you all what's in there. Bag, I think this is for No Frills. Premium instant coffee, they know us very well. Cafe matcha, naturally flavored Chewiebos. Coke Zero. To celebrate, woo! Love that. Gel cream, I think this is hand cream. I've never before in my life used hand cream, but if we have some, I mean, maybe. So we got 2 t-shirts. The first is a t-shirt that says Odyssey. It's a bright red, absolutely love it. The second one, guess what? Your boy's already wearing it. I'm staying in Elgin Hall right now. So Elgin, and this is kind of like our res t-shirts. Yeah, no condoms. What are these memes? I'm not saying I mind a more like comprehensive guide. This is a 40-page book on connecting to the internet. The kitchen area still has a lot of work, like the oven, but I can show you my room. Welcome to my humble abode. My shoes, my laundry, and I've got all my clothes set up. So I kind of sorted them like shirts and then pants. So I got my laptop already hooked up to a monitor, which I brought with me. EDC tray. Green plant to promote creativity, hee hee. And my Snoopies. On my right here, my yellow Ram. Water filter. I am extremely lazy. Why would I go and fill up water in the kitchen if I can have a water filter right here? But I might just end up putting it in the kitchen, and that way all of my roommates can have access to clean water. That is extremely selfish, and I probably should not be doing that. Lastly, we've got my bed. Initial thoughts. I think this room is awesome. I just really love my room a lot. Thanks for joining me today. It was awesome having you around, and stay tuned for future videos at Western. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye. Peace. Oh, and I forgot to show you the most important segment of all, the full length or full height mirror in the room. So that's me. All right.